Pumping up, pumping high, pumping up, it really feels like flying. Coming up, just like a lion.
So good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's now approximately 1.5 weeks after the show, and we've came back to a subtle 70 kilograms, staying pretty much stable all the time, and killing them food gains. Right? I'm improving my kitchen skills here, improving my breakfast. So today it's a whole day worth of eating, and let's get into it. We're gonna make some good stuff already. As you can see, peanut butter Oreo cookies and Reeses. So, the usual world famous breakfast here. 300 grams of frozen fruits, banana. We got oatmeal and a chocolate whey protein slush beneath it. Look at how big the bowl is, so you can imagine. And now it's time for the toppings, which will be these: peanut butter Oreo cookies, and 5 Reeses cups, baby. Oreo cookies in, peanut butter Reeses in. First time Oreo cookies with peanut butter and Reeses meaning peanut butter cups. Let's give it a taste, all together combined. Unbelievable. The cookie so crunchy. The Reeses peanut butter cup so smushy. The frozen fruits, an extra crunch, an extra sweet taste. And then the hot, in contrast, the hot oatmeal with chocolate. It's getting better and better, these bowls. Now, ladies and gentlemen, with my hamburger shirt got from a good friend of mine, Robin, but I think it's about that time. Pizza gains. So yeah, let's do this, baby. Ooh, baby. And it's been a long time since I've used a pizza roller. Let's take a look, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Come to Papa. Come to Papa, baby. Oh yeah. Ladies and gentlemen. It's about that time to dig in, baby. Now, we're gonna use 1 gram of olive oil to just make it more tasteful. A little bit extra salt, a little bit pepper. But the first bite, you will see it, of course. So I topped it off with 1 gram of olive oil to give it a more nice glazing here. Also nice garlic and pepper grinder, extra pepper above it, a little bit of salt, a chili. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a feast. It's a nice weather, it's a feast, it's pizza time, hamburger shirt on. Let's dig in this pizza. I've been craving this for so long that even in Dubai we were planning to eat pizza and hamburgers, right? But we even had one of those foods because I was stuffing myself down with foods that I don't normally eat, like pancakes. First bite. This is the bomb. Wow. It's just the taste of the pizza, man. I have to be honest with you. The fresh pizzas are way better. But this is just to suppress my craving, my feeling, my emotion. It's all about them games, baby. Flexible dieting. Let's take another one. Wow. So we just finished our pizza here 5 minutes ago. With all the salt. What's popping, bro? Meal number 3, 150 grams of chicken with some Japanese, herbs. Some Japanese, I think it's 7 different herbs together. And some red cabbage here with coleslaw. Love it. Gonna dig in this one. And it's pretty lovely. It's a clean meal in comparison to the other 2 ones. But hey, just some compensation here, right? Just to make sure most part of your diet comes from these sources, right? The less refined sources. And it still got the micronutrients, dense foods in them. The vitamins, the minerals. So, yeah. Gonna dig in this one. Hungry. Yep. Meal number 4. And again, just chicken, bro. Hey, but we wanted the pizza. And what you almost see on Facebook and Instagram is only the good foods. But this is the truth, ladies and gentlemen. Compensation. Everything is possible. Balance it out. Is it a hard time to eat just chicken with proper herbs on it? No. It's fun. I love it. But managing your food this way, taking care of the macronutrients, everything is possible. Within acceptable ranges, of course. So tomorrow, again, pizza post-workout. It's gonna be a feast, again. But yeah, ending off the day with probably chicken or tuna only. Loving it. And of course, as the last meal of the day, protein sludge with frozen fruits, topped off with pancake, powdered sugar. Now, the way I structure my meal plans is I need to have my breakfast with Oreo cookies and Reeses, and I need to have this protein sludge with the frozen fruits and other good stuff. So these are basically always the foods that I plan into my day, and actually work around with all the leftover macronutrients and spread it evenly. What's left over, and fill that in with everything I want. So these are the staples in my diet. So the breakfast, we got it. It's a staple. And I want to make sure that I have this one. This is also the way I was doing this in the pre-contest. I was structuring my meal plans making sure I had my breakfast, making sure I had this last but not least protein sludge, the best ever. Ladies and gentlemen, full day worth of eating. On to the next one. Tomorrow another pizza with pepperoni salami. You're gonna see it. Bye.